Hi, we're going to spend a few minutes looking at how to use Prezi and how to navigate a presentation in Prezi. This is the embedded presentation tool that I've used for most of the presentations for the various topics that you'll work through in each unit. So under presentation, if you see one of these Prezis right here, the first thing that you want to do when you're ready to work through it is to click this play button. What that does is it loads up the material, so it'll take just a minute. You can see this status bar moving across the bottom, similar to the way you have to wait a moment for a YouTube video to load up before you watch it. Once it finishes loading, change slightly. Now you see you've got these different options. So first thing I'm going to do is hit full screen so that it's bigger and easier to view. This does not take you out of the course website. It simply puts the course website in behind and brings that presentation full screen, so it's a little more pleasant to view. So there is a couple things really quick. Down here there is this button right here. What that does is that will show you the entire presentation. So Prezi is set up on the idea of a blank canvas. So if you push this button, what it shows you the entire presentation all at once, similar to looking at all of your various slides at once in PowerPoint. But here, instead of being broken apart into slides, you just see it all on one canvas. Over here, if you click autoplay, that will just automatically click you through the path that I have set up in the presentation. You can manually progress through that path that I've created by clicking on this play button. Each time you click it, it will take you to a new step. So here, you'd want to read through this initial passage right there. Then it'll slide you down, bring that passage into focus, emphasizing the quote, and then you can keep clicking as you progress through the path that I have set. Now, if you want to work backwards through something, you can zoom in or out. You can also move around on the presentation. If you scroll down, that zooms you out. Scrolling up will zoom you in. And then you can move around to go back and look at a place or look forward, and then if you click play again, it will take you to the next passage in that path. Or again, if you want to see the whole thing at once and remind yourself where it was you wanted to zoom in, you can click that back on that button again. When you're finished, if you just click on full screen again, it will take you back out of full screen. When you're out of full screen, you have a couple other options. This little bar appears over here. The home button does the same thing as this button, so if you click on it, it will just show you everything that's on the canvas again. You can also scroll in and out using the zoom keys right here, but again, scrolling either up or down on your mouse or using your arrow keys will do the same thing. So that is how to use a Prezi. If you have any other questions or you're having trouble with it, please send me an email or post a question in the virtual office. Would love to help make it easier for you and answer any questions you have about using them. So again, don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions about using Prezi, and if you are interested in using this presentation tool on your own use or for other classes, it's just Prezi, Prezi.com, if you want to go over to the website itself, and you can view other presentations over there or create your own. But it is a handy tool when you have web-based presentations. So again, if you have any questions as you're becoming familiar with the tool, please don't hesitate to ask me. I would like to help make it easier for you to use the program.